Hi guys, so I'm going to be making some spaghetti for Ariel, but she's got a sore head. So yeah, gonna be cooking some spaghetti if I can get it. Okay, I got the spaghetti. Now I must open it. Okay, I got it open. There. Let me make sure there's nothing like loose. Okay, there's nothing loose. So now let me put this back up there. Okay, now it is time to turn the stove on. Beep beep. It'll take a while, so I need to take my well, I don't need to take a shower because I already did today, but I just need to brush my teeth and stuff. So I'll be right back. Sorry, I threw myself. Okay, let me put it back. Okay, now let's see how it is. Okay, it's time to just. Okay, it's time to get it out. Let me get a bowl. Oh yes, I put the bowls up there. See? Well, they're plates anyway, so yeah. Let me get this. Okay, now let me put it on. Now I just need a spoon if there's any. Okay, there they are. Okay, I got a spoon from the washer. See it? Yeah. Okay, make sure it's closed. Okay, now it's time to put the spaghetti on. Whoops. Okay, so the spoon wouldn't work, so I just used this, and now there's the only spaghetti. You want to smell it? Just smell that. Wow. I love the smell of spaghetti. Now it's time to make the sauce. First, I need a spoon. See if I can find one. Okay, so I found a spoon. Here it is. See? Now it's time to make the sauce. So first I need some water. Hey, is it okay if I use your water? Sure. Here's the water. Okay. Now let's do it. Let's make it up. Shake it up. Okay, so see, I need all this stuff. I need milk and some like celery stuff. I don't know if it's celery, just like salad. Makes a flavor. And some water and some eggs and just a spoon to stir it. Now let's get this started. First we need the water. And now we need the milk. Now we need the eggs. Okay, that's enough eggs. Okay. Now it's time for a salad. Okay, there we go. I just put in a big pile. Okay, now it's time to stir it. Ooh, oh yeah, that's a spirit. Now let me taste it. That's delicious. There. Now, in comes the mixing. See, don't be jealous, but I use this cereal box as just cake mix or stuff. It's the only thing I have. So, don't be jealous. Please don't. Okay. There we go. Shake it up! Ah! Okay, perfect. Now, it's time to bring it to her. Oh yes, I need some pepper and stuff. Let me get some pepper. Okay, so I use juice boxes for pepper and salt. This is pepper, this is salt. Anyway, let's do it. Pepper and salt. I should just lay it in there. Don't run away. It needs to be there. Okay. Ouch. I should not do that. I should use a spoon. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Backwards. There. Time to put it on the spaghetti. Ooh, looks delicious. There. Now it's time to put this in the washer. Now wash it. Shh. Ah, put this back in. Okay, that's all washed up. Now let's put it in here. There, perfect. Now we can just enjoy and eat. Oh, and do you like my dress? Stinky feet, smell like feet, give me something sweet to eat. If you don't, I don't care. I'll put down your underwear. Stinky. I did not take a shower today. I forgot that I didn't. I told you guys I did, but I didn't. Sorry. I gotta sit down now. Ah, this is a spirit without my granddaughter, my baby, crying. I wish it could just be quiet for a minute. Bing! Did you say wish? Wait, what is that? I grant your wishes. Oh, I wish my granddaughter would just stop crying. I cannot do that. I can only make funny little elf wishes. You have to turn into an elf. No, don't even. You're the meanest person ever. Besides, I am a little elf troll. Bye. I'm up here. See my little feet? Just stop crying, you. What? I just smelled that and you guys don't give it to me. Oh, Annabelle, you always talk about everything. Just stop complaining. I want some. Hey, get out of my spaghetti. Sorry, but I ate all of it. No. Hee na. I finished all my spaghetti. That was delicious. I didn't even have a bite. There's enough for just you and me. Don't worry about it. Oh, where's my water? Oh, yes, here it is. How did you just get that? Oh, my tangled hair. So you're just stuck. Oh, man. Silly, it wasn't stuck. Fine, I put it in my boobs. Well, your dress boobs. Yuck. Sorry. Trash. Hey! She's crazy. Anyway, let's watch this. Ooh, what's this on Funnel Vision? Gosh, these blinds keep going crazy. So yeah, we're gonna be finishing our spaghetti. Wait, we already did. I didn't have a bite. That's it. What is that? How is that going? Oh no, there it goes. Ooh. Ah! Oh no. Ooh.